Welcome back to Speak Fluent English. I'm Wisdom, and today I want to take you on a journey that can truly change your life, the journey of improving your English speaking skills. I know for many of you, speaking English feels like climbing a mountain. Sometimes you feel shy. Sometimes you feel afraid of mistakes. And sometimes you wonder if you will ever sound fluent. But I want you to hear this clearly. You can do this. Fluency is not a gift given to a few. It is a skill. And like every skill, it can be learned. Think about it. Every single baby in the world learns their first language by listening, repeating, and practicing. They are not born fluent. They grow into fluency. And that is exactly what you can do with English. The first step is to change the way you see mistakes. Many learners freeze because they fear being judged. But mistakes are not your enemy. They are proof that you are learning. Every time you say the wrong word or forget a phrase, you are one step closer to fluency. Instead of running from mistakes, welcome them. They are your teachers. Next, listen deeply. Before you can speak well, you must listen well. Listen to English every single day. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, follow the news, or play English songs. At first, your brain may feel confused, but slowly it will adjust. Your ears will catch words, then phrases, and soon whole sentences will feel natural. The more you listen, the more fluent you will become. Now let's talk about shadowing. When you listen to a native speaker, repeat their words immediately, like an echo. Don't just say the words. Copy their rhythm, their intonation, even their emotion. If they sound excited too. This will train your tongue and your brain to move like theirs. You will not only speak English, you will sound English. But here's something important. You don't need a partner to practice speaking. Talk to yourself every day. Describe what you see. I am cooking rice. I am walking to the market. The sky looks beautiful. Tell your own stories out loud. Record yourself, listen, and notice your progress. Your voice is your instrument. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Learn phrases, not just single words. Words are like bricks, but phrases are like ready-made walls. Instead of just learning the word book, learn this book is interesting, or can I borrow this book? When you practice phrases, you can speak faster and more naturally. Work on your pronunciation. Pronunciation is the bridge between your thoughts and the listener's understanding. Read out loud for 10 minutes daily. Practice difficult sounds that don't exist in your native language. Watch videos, mimic speakers, and don't focus on erasing your accent. Focus on being clear and confident. Train yourself to think in English. Translating slows you down. Start small. Name objects around you: table, chair, window. Then build short sentences. I am sitting on the chair. Over time, your brain will stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Surround yourself with people who speak English. Join online groups, English clubs, or language exchange apps. Don't wait for perfect partners. Practice with anyone. Communication, not perfection, is the goal. And here is the most important truth. Fluency is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It is about connection. It is about opening doors to education, to travel, to careers, to friendships around the world. Every time you speak English, you are building a bridge between yourself and millions of people. You may not be fluent today, but imagine yourself 6 months from now. Imagine introducing yourself confidently, making friends, getting opportunities you once thought were impossible. That future is possible, but it begins with the small choices you make today: listening, repeating, practicing, and speaking. So, don't give up. Even if your progress feels slow, remember that every step matters. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself today with yourself yesterday. If you can say one new phrase today that you could not say last week, you are already winning. Remember this: English is not your enemy. It is your partner. It is not here to judge you. It is here to serve you. All you need to do is keep walking, keep practicing, and keep believing. So, tonight, I leave you with this challenge. Before you sleep, speak at least 5 sentences in English out loud. It doesn't matter if no one hears you. It matters that you hear yourself. Because every time you speak, you grow stronger. You are capable. You are improving. And one day soon, you will look back and say, I did it. I became fluent. This is wisdom, reminding you that your voice matters, your journey matters, and your fluency is waiting for you. Keep speaking, keep believing, and never give up.